In today's video, I am going to teach you how to have Pandadoc pay Stripe. If you are trying to connect payments to your documents, this setup is a key step. It lets you link your Stripe account to Pandadoc so you can receive payments in a smooth, integrated way. To begin, open your Pandadoc workspace or dashboard. From there, look along the top or side navigation for the option labeled Extensions. Click Extensions to enter the area where add-ons and integrations are managed. This is where you will find tools that can connect Pandadoc to other services. After you click Extensions, give it a moment to load the available options. Next, you will want to click Integrations. This section is specifically for connecting external platforms to Pandadoc. It usually shows a list of services you can connect, and it is the best place to start when you are looking for a payment provider. Now that you are in Integrations, it is time to find Stripe. Look through the list for the Stripe entry, which may be in alphabetical order or searchable. You can scan until you see Stripe, or use any search field that appears on your screen to make it faster to locate. When you find Stripe, that is the one you want to choose, because it is the payment platform you are connecting. Once you identify Stripe, click Connect. The Connect button is what starts the linking process between Pandadoc and Stripe. After you click it, you should see a series of prompts. These prompts are designed to confirm the connection and allow the services to communicate properly. At this point, follow the prompts to connect your Stripe account. This typically includes signing into Stripe, reviewing connection permissions, and confirming that you want to allow the integration. Take your time and read each prompt carefully so you understand what is being approved. If you are asked to grant permissions, those permissions are what make it possible for Pandadoc to send payment details through to Stripe. As you go through the prompts, make sure you select the correct Stripe account, especially if you have more than one account. Also, pay attention to any confirmation screens. If you see a final approval step, proceed only after you are sure the connection is pointing to the right place. After the connection is successfully completed, you can usually return to Pandadoc and confirm that Stripe now shows as connected. Depending on your interface, you might see a status update or a confirmation message. This is the point where you know the integration is active and you are ready to use it within your document or payment flow. To wrap things up, you have now completed the core setup. You went to Extensions, opened Integrations, found Stripe, clicked Connect, and then followed the prompts to link your Stripe account. That is the essential path for having Pandadoc work with Stripe for payments. And that covers everything you need to know.